Let's go! Let's go!
Hi guys! We're heading to Puerto Princesa. So, are you excited?
Super. Lagi.
Nag-vlog siya eh.
Securing your carry-on luggage.
Hi guys! So, we're here na sa Puerto Princesa Airport. So, iniintay na lang namin yung luggage namin. Pag nakuha na namin yon, this is it na! Hello El Nido! Sama ka sa akin, kuya. Ay, video!
Welcome to my vlog! Oh,
Yes.
may butas yan, may butas.
Thank you, kuya.
Hindi po nagalakad
Welcome to my vlog!
Okay lang malaglag ko sa tamang tao.
So guys, touristy tayo today kasi maganda daw yung weather. Yung touristy daw kasi madalas siyang kina-cancel. Kaya ito yung inuna. Dapat tour A.
First tour niyo po ngayon, ma'am? Okay, so bigyan lang po kami ng short briefing. So first, good morning everyone! Good morning! Okay, good morning! So by the way, so ako po si Richard. Good morning, so yung tour guide niyo po, okay? Parang ayaw mong palakpak ha. Alright, and of course, we have my co-tour guide, okay? Sir GR! Alright, Sir GR! And of course, Sir Randy! And of course, number one, John Carter! Alright! Okay, and of course, in our boat, Captain si Jas Colham, Captain Jerome! Okay, our boat, Captain yesterday. And of course, we have our lifeguard, okay? I told you yesterday, our security guard, bodyguard, point guard, safeguard. Okay, Jonathan and Vincent! Alright! Okay, so later if you have a problem or some question, so don't be shy to approach Inilbas, okay? So accept the financial problem. Alright. So actually this Alan Rapping Tour, we are doing Tour C, right? Okay, Tour C po. Kasi kung you're doing Tour A, so we have time, we need to swim, we'll go back, okay? So Tour C, make sure, okay? So meron tayo limang destination, okay? So we're going to our first stop, so Catlao Lagoon. Okay, Catlao Lagoon, so we'll be there approximately around 30 minutes from here. Okay? Then after that, so we're going to Helicopter Island, so we're gonna do for snorkeling. Okay? Then after that, so we're going to proceed to Matinloc Shrine. So but reminder, so Matinloc Shrine, okay? So Matinloc Shrine, so this is a private place. So to all the tourists will get there inside, you need to pay 200 one person for the entrance fee. Okay? Eh sir, okay lang ba sa inyo? Kayo po, sa likod. No worries about it. If you want to pay 200, it's worth it because you can use this there. And then makita nyo po yung view sa taas, napakaganda po. Worth it po yun doon. So doon po tayo magla-lunch, okay? Ayun sir. Okay lang po ba? Okay, so and then after that, so proceed po tayo sa Secret Beach. Okay, Secret Beach. So I think yung mga rest dito yesterday kahapon, so you've been already Secret Lagoon, right? So today we're going to Secret Beach, so same but different. Alright. Kasi po yung Secret Beach, as of now po ngayon yung tubig natin high tide. Okay? Secret Beach, so meron po siya maliit na butas. And then, papasok po tayo underwater kasi ngayon po is high tide po siya. Okay? Kasi po, hindi po lahat ng butas nagbibigay ligaya. Alright! Minsan po, disgrasya po yan. Okay? So, and then after that, so last po tayo sa Hayden Beach. Okay? Last stop natin Hayden Beach. But reminders ha, so the 5 for visit for today, so divide lang po natin yung time natin to recover to all this stuff. Okay? And of course, sino yung mga hindi marunong maglangoy dito? Be honest, not a good swimmer. Ayan. So, I know yourself, you are not a good swimmer ha. Especially today, we're doing Tour C, so more adventure tayo, more swimming po tayo. So yung mga di po marunong maglangoy, so good luck, save yourself. No, just kidding po. Yung di po marunong maglangoy, same yesterday lang po, hatake namin kayo. Okay? So actually, we don't have enough time, so we're going to our first stop, Catlao Lagoon, okay? So thank you for listening, enjoy, God bless, ingat po tayong lahat, okay?
Yeah.
So we're here na sa Helicopter Beach. Helicopter Beach. Yeah. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Hindi ako marunong palang lumangoy. Kala ko marunong ako, guys. Hello, lalangoy kami. Hello, ba't may gagawin? Hindi gagawin, it's not gagawin. Let's go hard. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's swim. Hindi kami gumalaw, guys. Hindi kami gumalaw, guys. Parang mali itong vlog na to. Guys, tingnan nyo yung nasa ilalim ng dagat. 1, 2, 3. Let's swim together. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko kaya tumagal. So dapat, pag pupunta kayo dito sa El Nido, subukan nyo nang mag-aral mag-swimming. Para ma-enjoy nyo yung mga nasa ilalim ng tubig. Gano'n. Bye! Bye-bye ka na. Bye! Bye-bye!
Forward pa rin to ah. Wait lang. Forward pa po, forward pa rin to. Forward ka pa, forward. Forward pa. Yan. Huwag ka mo. Tulas pa yan dyan.
Sige po.
Ma'am, huwag dito ba? Huwag dito madulas. Dito lang sarap.
Ano sabi mo?
Saluhin mo na lang ako. Kanina tatalo.
Ganda dito. Masinloc Island.
Ang ganda.
Tara, mo tayo sa taas. Okay na ma'am? Okay na.
Akit na po, kuya. Kuya, anong lugar to?
Batinlong Shrine.
Masinloc Shrine.
Yes, we will go up there. We'll take a photo. There we go.
Take a photo.
Oh, what?
Ano ba naman? For the vlog.
Wash yourself.
Paano ba baba? Ito din.
Kamusta ka?
Okay lang. Sikip dito.
Sabihin mo muna.
Dito kami
It's
sa
me,
ano.
Tintin. It's vlog takeover.
Vlog takeover.
Ingat ah. Ganda, grabe. Look at that. Look at that. So, ito po yung dadaanan ko. Ang kamay lang gamit ko. Wait sa inyo. Sige na. Akit ka na. Takot ako eh. Takot ako.
Sabi lang ako ha.
Thank you.
Ulitin.
Thank you. Wag na. Okay, day. Natural na to. Natural reaction. Ingat ah. Magawak-hawak ka. Thank you. Eat everyone. Wow! Huwag ka sumama sa vlog.
String beans, rice, Filipino power, grilled chicken, yellow watermelon, crabs. This is for long life. Pancet,
Pancet.
cucumber.
Hi everyone, it's me, MJ. So for today's video, ito na yung pangalawang tour namin today. Look at me, this is my outfit. Day 3 na sa El Nido, guys. So see you later. Day 3 na, guys. Dami ko bitbit.
Oo.
Hindi ka masaya.
Ay, sorry.
Parang di na masaya si T. Thank you, kuya.
Ano ka din i-assist ko. Hoy, abutin mo ko.
Hi guys, we're here at 7 Commando. So we're here at Big Lagoon. Ganda naman, kasi makakapagod kasi kami yung nagpapaddle. Pero masaya. Parang hindi. Guys, sobrang ganda nung taga-Saguan ko. Diba, Tin? Pagod na siya. Pagod na siya, girl. Sobrang ganda naman dito. Hello, Big Lagoon! Nakakatuwa lang, guys, kasi dati pangarap ko lang makapunta dito eh. Tapos ngayon, na-experience ko na siya. Ganda ng taga-Saguan ko eh. Tignan nyo, di ba? Carry nyo na yan. Mamaya, hampas nyo na sa akin yung paddle. Wala ka kaming kasama. Everyone, where are you guys? Hindi ko na alam kung paano ko bubuuin yung vlog na to kasi parang sobrang ina-enjoy ko lang yung mga ginagawa namin dito. Hi! Hi kayo. Okay. Okay, left. Ayan, yan, reverse. Okay, ang galing mo, Tintin. Ganda ng Big Lagoon, guys! Ang bilis nyo!
Hi! Ano yun? Sana.
Ay ka natin.
Ma'am, underwater mo mabilis.
Ha?
Ano, turtle.
Turtle? Oo nga, mga pagbungkol ba?
Forward ka ma'am, para makuha mo naman.
Bye-bye, Big Lagoon! See you next trip!
Sa YouTube. Marami
Ang sayo. Say hi. Tin, hi ka muna. There, dito tayo.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
The lover girl. Sorry, sino ka dyan?